Welcome to Real Estate Insights. Today, we are thrilled to introduce you to the Central Park Phase I by our Retail Ventures Private Limited. Nestled in the heart of Pimpri Chinchwad Municipal Corporation, Pune, this development offers a harmonious blend of modern living and community-centric lifestyle. Situated in Pimpri Chinchwad, the Central Park Phase I enjoys a strategic location with easy access to key amenities and urban conveniences. Residents here benefit from the tranquility of suburban living while being in close proximity to major tech hubs, educational institutions, and entertainment centers. The project's accessibility to major highways ensures seamless connectivity to other parts of the city, making it an ideal choice for those seeking both convenience and serenity. The Central Park Phase I offers a range of thoughtfully designed apartments, including 2, 3, and 4 BHK configurations. With 785 units spread across the development, residents have ample options to choose from. The apartments, ranging from 612 to 1571 square feet in size, are meticulously crafted to provide both comfort and functionality. With competitive pricing starting at 81,370 rupees per square feet, owning a luxurious home in this development is within reach for many. Let's take a virtual tour of the Central Park Phase I and explore its unique features and amenities that set it apart as a premier residential destination in Pune. At the Central Park Phase I, residents are not just homeowners but integral members of a thriving community. The development offers a host of amenities aimed at enhancing the quality of life for its residents. From well-equipped fitness centers to serene green spaces, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Families can unwind in landscaped gardens, while children have a dedicated play area to explore and socialize in a safe environment. Behind the Central Park Phase I is our Retail Ventures Private Limited, a reputable developer committed to delivering quality projects that enrich lives. With a focus on innovation and customer satisfaction, our Retail Ventures Private Limited has established itself as a trusted name in the real estate industry. As of March 2020, the Central Park Phase I is 46% complete, with a scheduled completion date set for December 2026. With 37% of the work already completed, the project is progressing steadily. Looking ahead, there are exciting plans for future developments, promising even more enhancements for residents to enjoy. In Pune's competitive real estate market, the Central Park Phase I stands out as a compelling investment opportunity. With its prime location, diverse range of living options, and commitment to quality, it offers prospective buyers the perfect blend of luxury and affordability. Thanks for watching.